Welcome back to TechKidFX for another AGIX price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We are also trying to battle out with a key area of resistance at around the $0.45 mark, and the moment we manage to break above that, we can watch out for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up and continue unlocking higher prices. We have also seen a breakout out of this chart pattern that we had been trading within, whose minimum target areas at around the $0.46 mark. We have almost fully maximized in a breakout that gave us a high at around the $0.45933 mark. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now fully maximized our minimum target area highlighted here on the charts using this white target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.59 mark. And having seen the formation of that first wave and a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2, now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also give you my target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you my target areas to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the Fibonacci's, that is the trend-based Fibonacci, from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.86625 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting AGIX to do here on the short-term scenarios in the formation of that wave 3. And before all that plays out, there are key areas of resistances that we need to manage to break through. And the first one is a break above the key area of resistance at around the $0.45 mark. And the moment we see a break above that and get a successful retest, there are high chances that AGIX is going to continue gearing up, continue unlocking higher prices, break through above our key significant high at around the 0.5, and also see a break above the wave 1 high of this Elliot wave structure right here, and a break above the wave 1 high. Then that will be enough confirmation of the impulsiveness in the formation of that wave 3 and the high chances of fully maximizing our minimum target areas in the formation of this wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. But in case the breakdown continues, I believe that the 20-day MA is going to give us support, since at the time of this recording it's now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. So in case we continue seeing further breakdown, continue watching the 20-day MA, which at the time of this recording lies at around the $0.42857 mark. And in case we lose that, then watch for support at around the $0.39455 mark. And that is what I'm expecting on the short-term scenarios. And also giving you the long-term outlook here on the AGIX chart, you can see that we have now peaked in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1, and that was after seeing a 5-wave structure to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.67 mark. And having seen the high for that first wave, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2. And having seen the low for that second wave, I now believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And because of its impulsive nature, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, which is the Elliot wave structure that has just given me the short-term scenarios here on the AGIX chart. having target areas in that wave 3 at around the $0.86934 mark. But for that to happen, we need to break above the $0.45 mark with a successful retest, which is an area that is now acting as resistance. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Agix chart. And also taking a look at the indicators, on the RSI, we are trading at around the 56 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.